If you want to recognize music using your Pixel 10 Pro, you have to go to the settings. Now go to the sound and vibration and scroll all the way down. Over here, go to the now playing, just like this, and you will have to click on this switcher to turn it on. And additionally, you can even add a shortcut into your home screen if you want. Now, if you turn it on for the first time, it will start downloading this music song database. So we have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And right now, it will show the name and artist of songs playing nearby on your lock screen. So it will be available at the bottom of your lock screen, but also if you didn't actually find it, you can go here into this settings and check now playing history, which is located over here. You can even set something as a favorite. And there's also option to change the default music player between YouTube Music or YouTube if you want to quickly play this song. And now this icon will be available here. So once you actually tap on it, you will be quickly redirected into this now playing feature. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.